using SQL to demonstrate group by. So how do you roll up the data according to one group and make a group? So to do this, let's make a connection to the SQLite database and open out SQL script. And the first thing we will do is bring out the query that we had before on this table, and this brings out a small subset of that table that we have in here. And what we are going to do is make a grouping on this housing median age. You see here in housing median age there are actually just two values, 30 and 40. And what we can do is we can just count those up and bring some output to just say how many 30s do we have, the count of the 30s and the count of the 40s. So what we will do is just roll up all of the 30s, so condense them, all the rows that you have here, into just one row, and then beside that have a column to say the count. That is what it means to do a group by, because you're rolling up that data and you're making a group out of the particular values that are in a column. To do this, you can do the same thing as we had before, but instead we're just going to bring out this column here, housing median age, and we're going to do a count. And the ones that we do select out, we put a group by at the end here. So if I run this section of code, which is very similar to what we had before, just with those minor changes, then you will see we have two columns. The first column being the count, and the second column being the value, the unique value that we have in this housing median age. And that is how you do